another recipe. The recipe's name is Summer Special Macaroni Raita. So let's start. Here are all the ingredients. I will show you all the ingredients. Here is chaat masala. Here is cumin powder, chopped grapes, sauce, pomegranate seeds. Here is crushed mint leaves, sugar, crushed dry fruits, imli chutney, black salt, white salt, black pepper powder, chili powder, and chopped capsicum, cucumber, and apple, and curd and macaroni. Now let's boil the macaroni. First add some salt, some vegetable oil, and now add the macaroni. So now just boiled macaronis are here, and now I am washing them with the cold water. Now the macaronis are washed, and let's start the actual recipe. So let's pour all the curd in the big bowl. And now whisk it well. If you feel the curd is very thick, you can add milk too. So I have mixed it very well. Now let's add the macaroni. Yes. And again mix it with the curd. So now the macaroni is mixed well. So now I will add chopped capsicum. So let's add it. And chopped cucumber. And chopped apple. So mix it well. I have mixed the veggies all properly, and now I will add small chopped grapes, pomegranate. So I have also mixed them also properly. Now I will add mint leaves, then chaat masala, then cumin powder. So let's mix it. So I have mixed them properly. Now I will pour black salt, white salt, chili powder, and black pepper powder. So now let's mix it. So I have mixed them properly. Now I will add some sugar and some sauce. So mix them well properly. So I have mixed them all properly. So now last ingredient is imli chutney. Add it and mix it well. Nice. So you can see I have mixed all the ingredients properly, and the summer special macaroni raita is ready to serve. Curd, veggies and fruits are there. From this you will get vitamins, protein and minerals. In this corona pandemic situation, please try this recipe to increase your immunity power. Thank you.